Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Pumzanziweni, and today, guys, I'm gonna be putting on my magnetic eyelashes. I've got 3 sizes here with me, so I'm gonna be putting them on and showing you guys on how to do this thing. Yeah, I got them from Take a Lot, guys. I bought them last year from Take a Lot. That's how long they do last. And for sure, by next year, I'm still gonna be having them because they are still in good condition. I have a mirror with me, guys, because when I put them on, I'm gonna be using a mirror, but I will show you on camera also. And guys, please don't mind my short hair because look here, I've got a problem with my hairline. So I'm using this, what you call anti-breakage hair food. So I'm using it. Let me read what it does, the benefits of this hair food. With protein, it's got protein. WG restores damaged. It restores damaged, weak, and dull hair by restoring protein in the hair to achieve healthier, fuller hair. It protects, repairs, and improves hair texture. So I got this hair food, guys, from Bontle Buhle. If you are a South African, you will know about Bontle Buhle. I don't know if they do sell the whole Africa or what. Africa, so I got this from them, guys. I'm still using it on my hairline. I'm trying to restore my hairline. So that's why I'm not planting anything. Once in a while I put on wigs, so yeah, that's why you see my hair or my head rusty. So that's why. Yeah, let's get into it, guys. I have this, what you call a magnetic. This is a magnetic glue that I'm gonna be using to put these magnetic eyelashes on. Yeah, so let's start. To start, I have this brush, guys. I'm gonna brush down my eyelashes so that I can put on the magnetic glue. I'm gonna do it here where I can see myself. I'm just brushing them down so that when I put the magnetic glue, I can put it without any interruptions from the eyelashes. So I'm just brushing them down like this, yeah, so that they do not interrupt me when I put the magnetic glue. This is my magnetic glue, guys. When I bought this, it came with this. How was it? It was placed like this, and there was a magnetic glue. That magnetic glue, guys, is finished, so I bought another one from Take a Lot. So if it's finished, guys, you can still buy a new one. That's what I did. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna apply it and show you guys how you apply. You just apply it on top of your eyelids. You apply it on top of your eyelids, guys. What I like about the magnetic eyelashes, guys, is that they are reusable. If you have put them on in the morning, late before you sleep, you can take them off so that you apply them the next day. Just like that. They are reusable, guys. When you sleep, you can take them off and put them on the next anytime you want or any day. So that's what I like about magnetic eyelashes. It's not like the first eyelashes we had, whereby if you went to a salon and did them, when you sleep, you're sleeping with the eyelashes until they fall off. No, it's not like that. So now I'm applying this magnetic liquid or glue. That's how you apply it, guys. I hope I've shown you, but I'm still gonna show you guys. When I'm done, gonna show you. That's where the eyelashes are gonna stick. They stick on this glue. They stick on this glue. Still applying my magnetic glue, guys. Still applying it. Take your time, especially if you are doing this for the first time. You must take your time. Don't rush and mess up yourself and everything. Just take your time. Like this, guys. There is no rush. Look at it, guys. Look at it, and you must make sure that you don't fully open your eyes, otherwise you're gonna mess up your glue. So that's how you apply it, and you wait for a few seconds before you can place your magnetic eyelashes. Yeah, wait for a few seconds. Look at these magnetic eyelashes, guys. They have some small magnets here. There are some small magnets. So even if you put them back in this thing, the magnets are the one that are making these things to hold. It's the magnets. So that's why they are called magnetic eyelashes. Let me check it here. It's drying up a bit. It's drying up a bit. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this to make sure that my eyelashes are close to the natural ones, and it seems like a natural look. So yeah, now I'm gonna put them on, guys. There are some small magnets here. I'm gonna place these magnets on top of the magnetic liquid or glue. Easy, guys. It's very easy. You just place them on top of your glue. You can use your hands. But finish everything off by using this, just to make sure everything is sticking nicely. making sure everything is sticking nicely. I love magnetic eyelashes, guys. They suit me. Also, I look good when I'm wearing them, magnetic eyelashes. In fact, eyelashes, they suit me very well. I just look like a different person once I put on eyelashes. I look like a different person. Okay, I'm putting another one and putting another one this side, guys, just on top of, they are sticking on top of the magnetic glue. On top of your magnetic glue, guys. Just to fix small anyana things, you use this to fix there, and you must make sure that you are careful. You don't. Be careful for your eyes, ne? Don't hurt yourself. Do not hurt yourself. Woo! These ones are too much, guys. Are they not too much? They are too much. I hardly wear these ones. They are too long for me. They are too long. Also, what you can do, guys, you can take your mascara that you are using and you just brush. Akiri, your natural eyelashes, before we put on the glue, we brushed them down. Now you can just to make sure you do like this so that they seem like one thing with your natural, normal eyelashes. That's why I'm doing that. Oh, this is too long, guys. Too long. I hardly wear this. Let me just my glue a little bit here so that it sticks. Yeah. Oh wow. There's a small glue falling off here. Yeah. Look at me, guys. How do I look? Okay, guys, I'm taking off these eyelashes now and we're gonna try another size, guys. You're gonna tell me on the comments which size is suiting me the best. These ones are the longest, then we're gonna go to this side, and the shortest ones are these. These ones are the ones that I usually put on, the short ones. I don't like attention, guys. When these things are too long, they are attention on the streets. Okay, let me take them off, guys. That's how you take them off. You just, they are off. Just like that. Another side, you just pull them. You pull them. They are having magnets. Okay, I put them back. I'm putting them back, guys, and we're gonna see another size now, how it looks. Yeah, the magnetic glue, I'm gonna apply it again because in some places it has came off because of the pulling of the eyelashes. Gonna apply it. I hope, guys, you are seeing everything clear. If you do not see clearly, you will ask me on the comments. Then whatever step that you are unsure of, on Take a Lot, guys, you'll just search magnetic eyelashes. Then they will come up and you choose the ones you like and buy. Easy like that. You just search magnetic eyelashes. They come up. You just choose the ones you like. Make sure you do not open your eyes fully because it's gonna mess the glue you are putting on. Just close to your eyelashes, guys. That's where you apply it. Close to your natural eyelashes so that your magnetic eyelashes can look natural. They can look natural. As natural as possible. They must look as natural as possible. Oh, made a mess there. I made a mess. I'm gonna clean it. Whatever mess that you make, guys, you can always go back and clean yourself. I have a cotton pad here just to clean there and there where I need to clean. You can clean before you put on your lashes, or you can clean after. It's up to you. It's up to you when you want to clean. It's really up to you. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit, just for a few seconds. Then we put the other sides on. We put the other sides on. It's this cotton. Oh, if I had that. Oh, let me do like this. It's working, guys. Just to quickly dry up. Just to quickly dry up the glue. Yeah. You can see it's dry. Now, putting on another ones. That is how you take them off, guys. It's a magnet. They have a magnet. Let me take the other one too. Yeah. What's going on with this one? The magnet from the stud has fallen off on this one. But still, we're gonna do what we do. You just Make sure you place your on top of the glue. You just place them on top of the glue, guys. To seal everything, you take this. Be careful not to hurt your eyes. Be careful not to hurt. Be careful not to hurt your eyes, guys. Hmm. 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 And clean here. Small glue. You put this. I don't know what you call this thing, guys. What is it called? I really don't. What is it called? I really don't. Oh, wow. You just squeeze your artificial eyelashes with your natural ones to make everything to look as natural as possible. Oh, be careful not to hurt your eyes. Yeah, I do from the beginning. Wow. Let's do the other one. Can brush it before I put it on because wow. Small brush like this. I think I got this brush from Signature. That's why I bought it from Signature. If you're a South African, for sure you will know Signature. I don't know about other countries. I've never been out of my country, guys. So bear with me. Oh, be careful not to hurt yourself. Oh. Whatever that. I'm cleaning, guys, with a small amount of the glue this side that I'm trying to remove. Hmm. 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 How are my eyelashes? The magnetic eyelashes, you can take them off before bedtime and you put them on any day you feel like it. Any day you feel like it, you put them on. There's no rush, there's no pressure, guys. You see, these ones are not too big like the first ones. They are not too much like the first ones. Yeah. we're gonna put on the last ones. Taking this off, taking them off. Oh, easy like that. You just pull them. You just pull like that. Yeah, I'm putting them back just because of a magnet. They're just gonna stick, guys, without any struggles. Without any struggles, they have a magnet. Yeah, look at that. So I'm gonna put the magnetic glue again for the last eyelashes we are doing. I'll show you when I'm done. Oh, I made a mess, yeah. Just on top of your natural. I'm left-handed, guys, so I'm a left-handed person, so that's why it seems like it's a struggle. It's a struggle for me to apply. Oh, I forgot and opened my eyes fully. I forgot. I'll clean myself, guys, don't worry. You must always have a cotton pad to clean yourself while it's still wet. The glue is still wet, you see there, just like that. I'm clean. Even this side. Yeah. God, I forget. Oh. 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 Yeah, you can always clean yourself, guys, while the glue is still wet. You can clean yourself. Yeah, it's dry now. Doesn't take long, guys, to be dry. Doesn't. Now I'm doing my favorite. These ones are the ones that I always apply, guys. Most of the time I apply these eyelashes. I like them. They are not too long. Also, I feel like they are not too much for my liking. I feel like you can brush them, brush whatever that is not needed off before applying, because they are reusable. So because of that, they can take on fluff or whatever if they are not covered. So yeah, let me start to this side. Just close to the beginning of your eyes, guys. So make sure it's close to the beginning of your eyes. Easy like that. I can still brush it off even here. If you see something that you don't like, you can brush them to remove it. To remove whatever that is not needed. Whatever that you do not need. These eyelashes, guys, are perfect for me because I'm not always feeling like being glammed up. No ways. It takes a mood for me to be glammed up and have a full makeup and the lashes and the nails. I'm a natural girl or woman. I just like to be natural. So it takes a special day for me to feel like I must put too much effort to look good. So these eyelashes are perfect for me because I can take them off anytime I feel like it. I can take them off. I can take them off anytime I feel like it. I love them. I love them. I'm left-handed, guys, so bear with me. Bear with me. What's that white thing there? I think it's the cotton wool that I was using. Washing them. There's a piece of a cotton wool here. Trying to take it off. Ah, a piece of a cotton wool. I don't like it. I didn't practice this, guys, before coming to you, to the cameras, because I just wanted to do everything here. This is it, guys. This is it. That is how you put them on. These eyelashes, guys, are my favorite. When I'm in a mood to put my eyelashes on, usually I put these ones on. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope it's gonna teach you something that you didn't know. If you already knew how to apply magnetic eyelashes, good for you. But if you didn't know, hopefully this is gonna teach you something new that you didn't know. And if you like, guys, what I'm all about, please like, please subscribe, and please comment below, engage. Yeah, comment below and engage, and hopefully see you next time, guys. Love you so much. For those who are already supporting my channel, thank you so much, guys, for your support. And hopefully to the new ones, I would really appreciate your support if you can support my channel, guys, so that I grow and teach you many things that you didn't know, and enjoy life together. See you next time.